Welcome back to another edition of Gareth Unboxing. Today we got another two parts of build your own R2-D2. So let's get into this. Unless I know it's gonna be episode issue 3 and 4. I know that. I noticed they didn't have any hard back part. I don't know why, but let me get rid of this whole part. It's we got our, I think that's the liquid USB stick they didn't have last time. But let's have a look at it. I don't think it says how many gigabytes it is. But I'm guessing it's something around 4 gigabytes. Usually are. But yeah, let me get him out and you can see. He's hard plastic except the top is rubber. No, these are rubber as well. It's pretty cool. Let's try and take off the aber. Here we go. So that's pretty cool, that is. Let's put his head back on. And let's put him back. I won't be opening the issue, I'll just be showing you, because I'm going to open the issues when I start building. But I'll show you what you get with them. So this is issue. Let me see. This is issue 3. This is issue 3. You get the eyepiece and it lights up. Then issue 4 tells you by what you get, and issue 3 that's what you get. So there's issue 4. It tells you the price up there as well. Whereas I got a premium one, it cost $9.99. So there's the next issue will be coming, the 5th issue. Yeah, so it's only gonna be it is only gonna be quick ridges, so then yeah, so that's pretty cool. And next free gift comes with next delivery. I think it's a binder. I think the 3rd gift is a binder. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boxes will be on the screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.